Hello guys, I'm Jay Kumar. In this video, we're going to see about creating application using inheritance. First, we're going to create a ATM machine using inheritance. ATM application machine using inheritance. First, we're going to import the java.util.scanner. Next, creating a class name as question ATM machine. Next, getting a user input and so we're using a scanner function. Scanner is scan equal to new scanner of system.in. Next, getting a user input like enter the name, enter the ATM type name, and getting the system string type name equal to scan.next line, and creating a new object like a cast ATM equal to new cast of type name. Next, creating a boolean status equal to true. Next, getting a user input like enter the bank name, and the ATM dot bank name equal to scan.bank name. If the bank name is SBI, then it will print a SBI. If the bank name is HDFC, it will print HDFC. Other than that, SBI, HDFC, if we give any other bank name, it will show a invalid bank name and then try again. Meanwhile, we're creating another class like cast tree and using a int and code number, double amount and balance, and string as bank name and location. And next, we're getting a scanner function scanner is scan equal to new scanner of system.in. And in this cast tree of we're getting a user input like enter the location and enter the code number. And next, you're getting a cast tree of string of fun. So that we're getting a welcome to the fun of ATM. Welcome to the particular name of the ATM. And we're using a deposit so that you're getting a user input like enter the amount of deposit and the amount equal to scan dot double the next double of and the balance equal to plus equal to amount. And actually getting a statement like your account has been created with the particular name. Next, using a withdraw so that use a void withdraw of double money and double servicing charge. So that if the balance less than money plus servicing charge, then the balance minus equal to money, the balance minus equal to service charge. Then it will print you have debited a particular name for your account. Else it will tell the insufficient balance in your account. Next, we're going to say about balance. So we say void view balance, and then getting user input like getting a statement like the available balance in your account with a particular amount, with a particular balance amount here. And next, creating a new class like SBI bank. So the class you see a inheritance here, and class SBI bank extends casting. If double service charge equal to 80 and interest equal to 0.10 and withdrawal max withdrawal equal to 15,000 and using a public void withdraw bank of double money. If money is then equal to max withdraw, it will print money with the service charge. Otherwise, it will show a statement like you are crossing the withdrawal limit. Next, we're creating another class name as HDFC. Like class HDFC extend class T. Here also using an inheritance concept. So using double service charge equal to 100, interest equal to 0.15, and max withdraw is 18,000. And using a public void withdraw of bank of double money. If money is less than max withdraw, then it will print money particular amount with the service charge. Otherwise it will give a statement like you are crossing the withdrawal limit. After this Casti class going to do a manual program so that we're using a while of status so that is getting a welcome to the particular bank name ATM bank so that with the type name of the ATM. And first choice will give first choice as withdraw money, and second choice is view balance, and third choice is deposit money, and fourth choice is exit. If you give choice one, it will ask the how much money you want to withdraw. If you give a choice two, it will show a balance of the balance amount. If you give a case three, it will ask the deposit amount. If we give a case for it will exit the code. Now you can run the program. Now enter the ATM type name, super fast, and bank name is SBI, and location Chennai, and code number 9848. I was asking welcome to the SBI Superfast ATM. My first choice is withdraw money. Second choice is view balance. Third choice is the deposit money, and fourth choice is exit. I'm going to give choices three. Now it's asking enter the amount of to be deposit. So giving in deposit money as 980, and your credit is showing your amount has been credited with the 980. I'm going to view a balance, so that giving a choices two. Now the available balance in your account is 980. I'm going to withdraw the money, so that giving choices one. Now it's asking how much money do you want to withdraw. So giving a choice money is 100. Now it's showing you have debited 100 rupees for from your account. I'm going to exit the program. Now it's showing you thanks for using your XP Superfast item service. Next application we're going to see about the student details of the using inheritance. First of all, using import java.array list and import java.object and the scanner. First, we're going to create a UG program as UG. So using a class UG and getting an and using a string as name and string as the roll number and string as department and float as the CGPA and string for hostel name and string for mentor and string for number of arrears. And next week you collecting a public. I'm using a public UG of string name, string register number and string department and float CGPA and string hostel name and string mentor name and enter of number areas. And using this function with the name register number, CGPA, number of areas, hostel name, mentor name and department name. And next you're going to using a display function of the UG and actually getting a get roll number. And next using a new class as PG. And next so that using inheritance here. Class PG extends UG using string specialization. Public PG of string name, string register number, string department and float CGPA and string hostel name and string mentor name and int number of areas and string application specialization. And using a super function here and super of name and register number, department, CGPA, hostel name, mentor name and number of areas. And they are using this function and this is specialization equal to specialization. And next we are getting a display of the PG here. Display a PG function. And next using a class name as student details. So the public class student details and static get UG by register number of array list UG, comma string register number. I'm using for loop and for int I equal to 0 and I less than UG size, then I plus plus. If UG dot get of I dot get register number dot compare to register number equal to 0, then return I then return -1. Then same as for the PG. Static int is get PG by number register number of array list PG comma string register number. And next using for loop and next using if statement same as of the UG. And next we going to get do a mandatory program so that while two of first choice is to add the student in the list, and second choice is display the student details, and third choice is to display the student details of both categories, and fourth choice is exit. If you give first choice, you will ask the enter. If you ask the user input like enter the program for the student of UG or PG. I will ask you the choice for if you give a choices one, it will go for PG. It will go choices two. It will go for UG. And next we will ask the register number of the student, name of the student, hostel number of the student, department of the student, mentor of the student, specialization of the student, if specialization of the student, CGPA of the student, and number of other student. This will ask for the choice one. We give choice. So give choice one as PG. It will ask this input. It will ask these questions. And if we give choices to, it will ask question for UG. So that we are using a user input like enter this number of the student, name of the student, hostel name of the student, department name for the student, and mentor name for the student, CGPA for the student, and number of the areas. Else if we give choices to, it will ask the enter the register number of the student, register number, and it will ask the enter the program name. If we give a program name of UG, it will print the details of the UG student details. It will give choices program name as PG. It will print the details of the PG student. If we give choices to 3, it will display the both the PG and UG for details of the student. If we give choices 4, it will display will exit the code. It will exit the program. Now we run this program. Now it's asking 4 searches. First I give it the choices 1. It's asking for PG or UG. I'm going to give choices 2. It's asking number, register number. I'm going to give 211. Name is there. And hostel name is Sunflow. And department as CSE. Mentor name John. The CGPA is 7.5, and number of arrays is 0. Next, you're going to give choices 1, and you're going to do a PG details. So, giving choices 1 again. Now, it's asking the register number of the student. I'm going to give 2110. Her name is Jack. Hostel name is Golden. Department name ECE. Mentor name Cuba. Specialization AI. CGPA 8.5. Sorry, 8.5. Number of arrays is 0. I was asking I'm going to display the student details. So giving choices 2. Now it's asking enter this number. So giving this number is 2111, and the program name is UG. And displaying the name is they mark this register number 2111, CGPA 7.5, array number of arrays 0, and hostel name Sunflow, and mentor name is John, and department name is CSA, and the program name is UG. I'm going to display the student details of both categories. So I'm giving choices 3. I'm displaying both categories of the UG and PG details. Student details here. We're going to exit the program. So I'm giving choices 4. Next we're going to see about workers application using inheritance. First we're giving public classes workers, and next we're going to getting a scanner function scanner of scan equal to new scanner of system.in. So boolean statement equal to true, and using a worker as person. Meanwhile, you're going to go to another class as worker, and string as worker name, and double salary rate, and worker of this worker of using a worker name and salary rate. Worker name as worker and salary name as 0.00, and so I'm setting a worker name and getting a sector salary rate. Next using a class as daily worker using inheritance here. Class daily worker extends worker, daily worker of string name and double pay rate. And using this function here with a set worker name and set salary name. And next using a salary worker and also here using an inheritance, and so that using a class salary worker extends worker and salary worker of string name double pay rate, using this function here also, and getting a setting a worker name and a salary rate. After this we're going to do a minute driven program. So using a, I'm going to give a first choices, select the option for the workers you want to pay, and daily workers and salary workers. If we give choice one, if we'll give a, if we ask the name, enter the name of the worker, and ask the enter the pay rate, and we'll ask the enter the hour of the hard work and the hard work put in the person, the particular name of the worker. If we give a choice to, we'll ask the enter the name of the worker. Uh, it will ask the enter your pay rate. If we give choice, it will exit the program. We run the program. Now it's asking, I'm going to give choice one. It's asking the worker name there, and pay rate is 300, and worker is hours of the hard work put in the by Udaya by some her. I'm showing your salary is calculated by 2100 and 2100 by weekly. I'm going to give choices too. Now it's asking the name of the worker. I'm going to give Derek. I'm going to give a enter the pay rate as 15. Now it's showing your salary rate is calculated by 2000 by daily. I'm going to exit the program. So give me choices 3. Now thanks for using a broker payment service. That's all guys. Thank you.